forget Adobe Photoshop. You don't need to download this. You don't need to pay for Photoshop anymore. You can use this new AI tool and this feature right here to edit your photos. I'm going to show you everything in today's video. Before we jump into it, like and share so more people can see this. All right, this tool is Adobe Firefly AI. So go to firefly.adobe.com. You can sign in, create an account, and then once you log in, this is what you're going to see. There's a brand new feature that I noticed a couple days ago, which is amazing: generative fill. You can use this to edit your images, and it's like magic. I'll show you in a second, but there's a lot more in this tool. You can use text to generate images. You can use text to generate effects, but today we're going to focus on this generative fill feature. So let me click on this and show you how magical this thing is. You can use simply brush to remove objects, add new objects and backgrounds and everything. So let me upload an image. Let's find something simple, this image right here, and then I'll show you how magical this tool is. All right, so this tool right here, I'm gonna pan this and move this up so you can see everything properly or easily. Now if I want to remove background from here, I can simply click on the background, and then in a few seconds look at this, background is gone. Not just that, I can now generate a new background. So let's say I want to put sky. Click on generate, and AI will generate some background options for me. So let's give it a second. Oh, here you go. So here are different options: option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. This is not really a sky, but oh, actually, yeah, it's window and sky. But you can go through the, if you want to generate more backgrounds, you can click here. Let's say I like this one, so I can click on this and then keep, and now this becomes my new background. Right now, let's say I want to add something to this. Let's say I want to add a sparrow or a crow or something to my image. So I'll click on insert, and now let's select the area where I want to insert something. So let's say I want to insert something here. Here's the shape, and now what do I want to insert? So I'm gonna say a bird, a flying bird, and then click on generate, and same thing, AI will generate that based on my command. So the cool thing is, all I'm doing is, look at this, all I'm doing is giving text commands, text prompts, and look at this. So that's really neat. So let's say I like this. By the way, I can click on more to generate more. I like this, I can keep it, and here you go. Now, another cool thing you can do is you can also remove stuff. So there's not a lot of things going on. There's not a lot of objects in this picture. But let's say I want to remove this from his shirt. So I can click on remove, and you'll notice that arrow or the design from the shirt will be gone in a second. So look at that. Keep it. So not only you can remove backgrounds, you can generate backgrounds using text. You can add objects based on text prompt. You can remove objects based on text prompt. This is just amazing tool, generative fill inside Adobe Firefly. So let me go back, and then there are other tools you can use: text to images, text to different effects. It's just simply amazing. Firefly.adobe.com. And by the way, yeah, once you were done with the images, I already left the page, but you can download this and save it to your computer, and then use it on other social media platforms. If you have any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.